Once upon a time, there was a secret donut recipe discovered by a French cook but was soon bought over by a man named Vernon Rudolph. The recipe makes the fluffiest, soft, melt-in-your-mouth donuts. The delicious aroma of cooking donuts drifted into the streets, attracting passerbys. And this marks the start of a new donut revolution. Welcome aboard! Would you look at that? Chocolate with sprinkles, strawberries, or the good old glazed donuts? We've got them all. These donuts, after a long day, are finally ready for us to enjoy. Hey, what goes better with donuts other than a cup of coffee? Kicks off your day with happiness through donuts.